This small home belongs to M. All she wanted was a space that felt calm, clean, and easy to live in. With her current home, the furniture didn't match and doesn't have proper design planning. M's only want to have space where she and her family could relax after long days. So we helped her fix that by making better use of the space, choosing the right pieces without spending over $4,000. In this video, you'll see how we gave M's home a modern classic look in the living, dining, and kitchen areas that fit her budget. We didn't start from scratch. M already had some good furniture, but it just wasn't in the right place. So the first step was to move things around to make the space flow better. Instead of adding more bulky furniture, we used softer shapes, light colors, and classic accent. For colors, we used warm whites, light wood, and some soft browns to make the space feel calm. Then we added just a few darker touches to bring depth, but not too much. Lighting was very important for M. So we used a mix of lights, a ceiling light for general brightness, wall lights to add warmth, and under cabinet lights. Everything we did was to help M feel more at peace in her home without going over budget. Let's talk about the living area. This part had to feel comfortable and nice, as M wanted a space where she could relax but still feel proud when guests came over. So, first thing we did is to enhance the foundation. We added warm LED lights into a stepped cove ceiling, a matte walls, and herringbone wood flooring. These small details made the space feel clean and classic, even while empty. For some accent and layering, we chose to add simple panel moldings to make it feel more elegant. And we placed a chandelier with 6 round globe bulbs in antique bronze. It gave the room a warm, cozy glow, costing about $90 to $100 at Home Depot. But there's also a more modern one, with white fabric shades at the same store. For furniture, everything stays low and light, so the room feels open. The sofa was important for M. It had to be comfortable, low, and easy to keep clean, so a neutral-colored upholstered sofa with soft pillows was placed, priced around $450. Then, a glass-top coffee table with brass legs and a wood shelf was used. It felt light and stylish. The price was about $120 to $125 on Amazon. A cheaper option is a black coffee table with storage, which costs only $116. We added a woven rug in neutral tones to bring the seating area together, costing about $120. On the side, a $239 wood-framed lounge chair on Walmart give extra seating and balance the space. Now the entertainment zone was built around a special detail. A custom arched niche. Inside, a floating console with a wood top and white drawers gives storage and a clean look. A similar one costs about $250 on Amazon or Wayfair. The TV was placed at the center, and above it, we added wooden open shelves to hold decor. We styled it with a few books, simple sculptures, a classical wall art, and indoor plants. To add soft light, we used glass and gold wall sconces. The styling cost around $75 to $150 in total. For M, this living room is more than just a place to sit. It's now a space that feels soft, simple, and grown up. A place that finally matches the calm she's been looking for. M always wanted a dining space that felt a little more special. Before, it was just a small table pushed to the side, but now it's where homework happens, where family dinners come together even on busy days. At the center is a rectangular walnut-style table styled with minimal accessories. It looks solid and warm, but not too heavy. A table like this costs around $400. And for seating, we chose curved-back fabric chairs in soft ivory. They're simple but look elegant, and they're comfy too. A set of 4 costs about $500 to $600 from All Modern. Another good option is the high dining chair from West Elm. To finish the look, the windows are covered with long blackout curtains and sheer white panels. This made the space feel taller and softer at the same time. The full set costs about $140 from Amazon Basics. In total, this whole dining setup costs under $1,000. Now, this small space feels just right for Em and her family. Simple, useful, and nice to look at. For the kitchen, she just wanted it to feel neat, brighter, and easier to use. To light up the space, a black track light with 3 adjustable heads was placed above the cooking area. It's simple and useful and costs about $150 to $250 depending on the style. For the countertop, quartz tiles were used. These are strong, smooth, and give the kitchen a clean and fancy look. The price for the tiles plus installation is around $500 to $700. The backsplash was covered with hexagon ceramic tiles, which gave the wall a soft texture without looking busy. That costs about $80 to $100 for the materials. For the cabinets, Em wanted something simple but not boring. So the design used a mix of white push-to-open cabinet doors and dark wood open shelves. Next to it, there's a narrow black frame with fluted glass, which helps divide the space a little without closing it off. For everything together, the cost is about $700 to $900. The appliances is properly arranged, so it's easy to move and cook without bumping into things. Even the details like a wine rack, a holder for glasses, and a few daily items were all given a spot. We also add under the shelves LED strip lights to keep the work area bright but still soft on the eyes. Then, at the counter, we picked solid wood stools with round seats and a natural look. Each one costs around $60 to $100. If more comfort is needed, there's also a soft upholstered wooden stool for $399 that works great too. This kitchen now fits Em's daily life, simple, neat, and comfortable, without needing a full makeover. The total cost of this full setup? Just under $3,930, and that already covers all the furniture, lighting, and decorations used in Em's space. So, how did the budget go this far, while still giving that modern classic look? Instead of adding big wall panels, simple wall moldings and accent pieces were used to add charm. Most of the furniture was ready-made, but they were picked carefully so they still looked clean and well-matched. Small decor pieces were layered to make the space feel full but not crowded. And the lighting did a lot of the work, making the rooms feel warm, soft, and a little more special without needing big changes to the structure. These little choices helped Em get the space she wanted, simple, peaceful, and just right for her home and budget. So, what did this project prove? That you don't need a huge budget or a massive space to create a home that feels both elegant and livable. If this gave you ideas for your own home, don't forget to check the description for product links you can use at home. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart, real-life interior design tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.